Outspoken veteran Blessed Suggest has intensified calls for nationwide protests aimed at removing ZANU-PF leader President mnangagwa, asserting that the country is being mismanaged and his leadership. Sadabina mashoko buda panguva ino geza chiti no escape for Zvigananda. Mashoko avhunutsa munhu wese. People they were not expecting kuti geza ngashedzera protest, but panguva ino ndo zvavapo. Sadabina mashoko buda nyorwa panguva ino ndo subscribe like on the bell icon. Kana pachipinda the news wakusambudanyora chiti in a free address on Saturday afternoon, Geza directly accused Mnangagwa and his close allies, including Zvigananda and other top ZANU-PF figures, of enriching themselves at the expense of ordinary citizens Zimbabweans. He described the current administration as having bled the country dry and warned that citizens must take action themselves. We are appealing to citizens to unite on October 17. Let's converge for a common cause. We can only liberate ourselves from Mnangagwa's dictatorship. Nobody else will do it for us. Geza said, urging mass participation in the upcoming demonstrations. He further criticized government spending priorities, highlighting the contrast between lavish purchases and by party elites and the suffering of the general populace. ZVAITWA is busy buying vehicles for people, yet we don't give medication in our hospitals. Our civil servants are struggling to survive on meagre salaries. Our infrastructure is collapsing. This is the time to act, he added. Geza's speech comes amid growing economic hardship, with many Zimbabweans facing shortages of basic services, rising prices, and declining living standards, further fueling calls for accountability and reform. Thomas Kwaribo Zimbabwe chabvodoka panguva ino tichiona kuti Bomshogeza aramba Zvigananda and panguva ino is calling up for nationwide protest. Ari kudesigna maposters achi-encourage vanhu kuti vanoteka part in this protest. Mbotidza mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wabvira kumesection medu zva mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell.